First, visit iReaShare.com and head to the iPhone Manager page. You can scroll down to check all the features and the step-by-step guide in detail. After that, click the Back to Top button. Click the Try for Free option to download it on your computer. Double-click the iReaShare iPhone Manager installer to install it on your computer by following the step-by-step guide. Once finished, click Finish to close setup. Run the software on your computer, then you will see this main interface. Connect your iPhone to the computer via USB cable. The software will quickly recognize your iPhone. Tap Trust on your iPhone, then click Continue to go on. To back up iPhone to PC, click Super Toolkit, iTunes Backup, and Restore. Choose the Backup option on the pop-up. Select a backup location, either on the default iTunes backup location or a location on the PC you like by clicking the Browse option, then click OK to start the backup process. Here, you need to input the password to unlock your iPhone while extracting data. The software begins backing up your iPhone to the PC directly. It will take some time, please be patient.